Pacemakers often fail because scar tissue builds up, but this bacterial cellulose wrap uses hexagonal pits to stop it in its tracks. As a researcher, you're about to see how this bacterial burrito, stuffed with hexagonal nanoshields, shuts down scar cells in their tracks. If we don't stop it, scar tissue clogs your pacemaker, forcing risky reoperations. Stick around. You'll discover how these hexagons block scar cells, witness the lab tests in action, and learn what this means for tomorrow's heart implants. Let's start by seeing how the team actually builds this membrane. They grow thin, transparent film made by bacteria. They then press a honeycomb-style like pattern into the film, creating tiny pits only a few times thinner than a human hair. These pits act like speed bumps for scar-forming cells, making it impossible for them to grab on and build up. The team then took working pacemakers and wrapped them in our bacterial film. Think sealing a device in non-stick Teflon, and implanted them into pig hearts. Over the following year, surgeons kept tabs on the implants, just like they would in human patients. When it came time to check the results, the difference was night and day. The coated pacemakers slid out almost effortlessly, like popping a Teflon-coated pan out of a hot oven, while the unwrapped devices were buried under thick, stiff scar tissue. That speed bump honeycomb pattern wasn't just a neat trick in the lab. It stopped scar cells cold, slashing buildup and pointing towards safer, longer-lasting heart implants. These results are pretty impressive, given that over 1 million pacemakers are implanted globally each year, and 3 million people currently depend on these devices. Now let's look at what it means for you. Cutting scar thickness by 2/3 could translate into thousands of fewer emergency surgeries annually. I also don't see why this honeycomb-style membrane could not be used for vascular grafts. One cool thing that I would love to tell the authors would be to measure the water contact angles and surface energy to better understand how proteins and cells interact with the membrane. And now the meme of the week. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this dive into this bacterial burrito, hit subscribe and check out our video on using spider silk to reinvent arteries.